Let's talk about when stuff happens and how often. These are adverbs of time and frequency. One of the functions of an adverb is to tell when an action occurs. So when, it's placed before the verb most of the time, and how often does something happen. Examples. Adverbs you can use before or after the action. A menudo, often. Ahora, now. Hoy, today. Luego, later. Mañana, tomorrow. Más tarde, later. Pronto, soon. Todos los días, every day. Example sentence. A menudo me ducho. I shower often. Estamos estudiando ahora. We're studying now. These are examples of adverbs you use before the action or the verb. A veces, sometimes. A veces mi madre se viste con ropa formal. Sometimes my mom dresses with formal clothes. Mientras, while. Mientras él se afeita, se mira en el espejo. While he shaves, he looks at himself in the mirror. Normalmente, normally. Casi nunca, almost never. Casi siempre, almost always. Ya, already. Ya hago mi tarea. I'm already doing my homework. Ya no, no longer. Ya no hago mi tarea. I am no longer doing my homework. Todavía, still. Todavía estudio. I am still studying. To tell what's being done before or after another activity, you use antes de and an infinitive. Antes de acostarse, mi hijo lee un libro. Before going to bed, my son reads a book. Después de and an infinitive. Los hijos necesitan cepillarse los dientes después de comer. The children need to brush their teeth after eating. If you have a preposition in a sentence like an a, con, de, para, anything like that, use the infinitive of a verb afterwards. I know in English you like to say eating, dressing, drinking, but in Spanish we use just the infinitive after those little words, a, con, de, para. If you are not using de with antes or después, you do need to conjugate the verb following. Como y después voy a la clase. I eat and afterwards I go to class. Voy a dormir, pero antes me cepillo los dientes. I'm going to sleep, but beforehand I'm going to brush my teeth. So you see that the meaning is changed a little to mean afterwards and beforehand. Vez and veces. Él se afeita una vez a la semana. He shaves once a week or one time. Me cepillo los dientes 3 veces al día. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Notice that this adverbial expression comes after the activity, after the verb. And here are some sample questions. ¿Cómo es tu rutina por la mañana? What's your daily routine in the morning? Todos los días me levanto a las 6. Una vez al día me visto con pantalones y una camiseta. A veces yo llevo una falda. Corro con mi perro a menudo.